Okay, so welcome to Khan Academy, and today we're working on the rotary evaporator. And so what this is it works to separate solutions where you have a chemical that you don't want to damage through excessive heating. And so it allows you to boil off the solvent at a low temperature because it works with a vacuum system. So the vacuum lowers the boiling point of the solvent, and therefore you can separate the solvent and solute without damaging the solute if your solute is heat sensitive. And so the basic components are you have a flask, or in this case we have an adapter for a vial. Then we have the bump trap, and then we have the condensing coils up here. So the solvent will be boiled off, it'll go through the bump trap, and it will be condensed by the coils, or it'll end up in this thing when it gets condensed back into a liquid. And so the bump trap is for what's called bumping. So if you heat it up too fast, then sometimes the solvent will boil off in will just form a lot of bubbles, and your solution will end up traveling into the bump trap, and the bump trap prevents the solution from traveling into the condenser coils and basically getting stuck in there, and that's really bad when that happens. Okay, so we'll get this thing working. So the first thing we do is turn on the vacuum. Then we turn on the water. And then we attach whatever we need to separate to the adapter, that's what it's called. And we seal the system. Shouldn't work, right? Yeah, so seal the system. There's also a heating plate here, a hot plate filled with water. So you heat it up a little bit, not too much. So right now the temperature is at about 45 degrees Celsius. So then we start the spinning. And then we lower it into the water. And we wait here until it evaporates off all the solvent, which usually takes quite a bit of time. Depends on what you're evaporating. Sometimes it's over in a few minutes, sometimes it'll take a long time. Okay, and so the last thing that you want to keep in mind is there's a few safety things involving the rotovap. You can't rotovap peroxides, because if you do, then the whole thing will explode, and that is a really, really bad way to start your day. Okay, so that's basically a rotovap right there, and that's how you operate one. And yep, that's basically all I have to say. Okay, thank you.